Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through streaming apps, trying to remember which movies or shows you wanted to watch, you know how easy it is to lose track. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a professional, easy-to-use film and TV watch list using Notion. By the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful, organized space in Notion to keep tabs on everything you want to watch, so you can spend less time searching and more time enjoying. Let's jump right in. To keep things simple and efficient, we're going to start by using Notion's free film and TV watch list templates. These templates are designed to give your list a polished, professional look right out of the box, and you can always personalize them later on. Starting with a template means less time fiddling with the layout and more time focusing on your actual watch list. First up, open your Notion workspace. Take a look in the top left corner of your Notion dashboard. You should see a drop-down menu there. Click on it to reveal more options. You might need to take a moment to spot it if you're new to Notion. It's right where your pages and databases are listed. After clicking the drop-down, search for Browse Templates. This section is essentially Notion's library of ready-made pages for different needs. Think of it as a gallery where you can pick the perfect design for your watch list. Now, let's find the Film and TV Watch List template. You can either scroll through the categories or type Film and TV Watch List into the search bar. They sometimes update the template designs, so don't be surprised if you see a couple of options, like a minimal layout or a more colorful version. Choose the template that appeals most to you. Try imagining how you'd like your finished watch list to look while you browse. Once you've found a template you like, just click Add. Notion will instantly create a copy in your workspace that you can start using right away. You'll see that the template has dedicated sections for credentials, basically the title of each film or show, and space for creative details, like genre, watch status, or even your personal rating. Take some time to add your current watch list items. Maybe you want to add movies you've been meaning to see or shows all your friends have recommended. As you add these, think about the kind of details that matter to you. For example, you can indicate whether something is already released or still upcoming, or add little notes about who recommended each one. One of the best things about using Notion is the ability to customize it further. Don't worry if at first the template isn't precisely how you want it. Notion lets you easily tweak the design, add new columns for things like trailer link or lead actor, or even adjust the colors for a personal touch. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're new to customizing Notion, but trust me, it's worth it. You'll end up with a watch list that feels truly your own, right inside a tool that's flexible and elegant. And there you have it, a slick, professionally organized film and TV watch list in Notion, ready for your next binge session. Now, you won't forget anything on your must-watch list, and you'll always have a place to track your favorites. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips. Got any questions or want to share your own template ideas? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.